What if I told you I made this with just three ingredients, including fruits, and they are very healthy? Hello, sweet fingers lovers. Welcome to my channel. It's your favorite elegant chef boss, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your healthy fruit popsicles without stress. So these are all the ingredients you need: your watermelon, your condensed milk, and then your powdered milk, and these are all the ingredients you need. So bring out your blender, let's get right into it. So you're just going to add your watermelon in your blender and then your condensed milk. Next ingredient, your powdered milk, and also I'm just going to add a little bit of water so it can blend properly. So I'm just going to blend this until it is very smooth, and this took me between 15 to 30 seconds. And after that, it is ready. And this is what we have. This is what it looks like. So I'm just going to add this just like this. I'm just going to pour it inside my popsicle maker. Then just cover it one by one. Then I'm just going to cover it and kept it inside the fridge. I left this for over 6 hours, and after that, this is what we have. So these are very delicious, and at the same time they are healthy. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to watch our other videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.